Good evening to all. Am I audible, Atharva?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So, once again, good evening to all. Today's internship guidance session is very important as we all are going to discuss the 6-month internship plan for this academic year 26-27. This internship is not just a curriculum that is included in our autonomy. It is a very important step in your professional journey. The main purpose of this internship is to bridge gap between the theoretical knowledge and industry applications. The objective of this internship is to encourage and provide opportunities for students to acquire professional learning experience because you are working in industry now. Objective is to provide exposure to handling and using various tools, machines, systems, measuring instruments, meters, technologies that are used in industry. And also the objective is to enable you to develop professional and employability skills and expand your professional network. Now I hope you have joined the internship in the industry. You have started working there. We will take the follow-up of every individual student. But assuming that you have started your work in the industry, I have some guidelines, some instructions to all of you. Please see that our internship is for 4 to 6 months. We are not offering or we are not allowing for 3 months internship. You need to have the internship of 4 to 6 months where you are working in the industry, working in the industrial environment, starting from 1st July to 31st December. Every student has to carry internship record book or diary when you are going in the industry every day. We need to have the record of every single day you are going in the industry. We will share the sample of that internship booklet or internship diary to you so that you can maintain the record in that. Date wise, you need to maintain every record like what you have done in a day. Note down all the entries, what things you have observed, what have you studied, what have you seen, on which system you have worked. And at the end of the day, you need to take the signature of your industry mentor. You must be having some industry mentor, industry guide. You need to take his signature at the end of day. You can put some title to your internship book, internship record book. I will share that format with you so that you can have your internship diary in that way. Why we should have the internship diary or record book? Because it will be useful for us to write the final internship report. I hope you are aware that you need to submit the internship report at the end. So for that, we need to have some observations, readings, data with us. And that data, that observation, those readings, those discussions, interactions, everything is included in the internship diary. So we need to have it. We need to have the record of that. While working in the industry, you need to maintain the institutional culture because you are representing Kekewag Institute of Engineering, Education and Research. You are representing electrical department there. So we should not receive any kind of complaint regarding your behavior or the way of working in the industry. Do not spoil the name of the department and the institute. Otherwise, it will be difficult for us, difficult for you as well. During the internship, there will be 4 reviews that we will be conducting, mostly in the offline mode, only for those students who are staying at different locations Other than Nasik, we will have it in the online mode. For all other those who are having internship in Nasik, for them the review will be conducted in the offline mode. Either it will be in the department or it will be conducted in the industry with the consent of your industry guide. Now these 4 reviews will be conducted for every 1 month. Now your first review will be for the first week of August. In the first week of August, we will have the first review. Second review will be in the first week of September. Third review will be in the first week of October. And then fourth review will be in the third week of your November. And then there will be a final presentation, mostly in the first week of the December. At the time you need to present your diary, internship diary, project report, everything. So now this every review that we will be taking will have the weightage of 50 marks term work. So for every review that you will present, you will be given marks out of 50. So total 4 reviews are there. So there will be like 200 marks, and the 100 marks will be the for oral, which will be conducted at the end of your internship, because some of the students may continue their internship up to 31st December. So we will try to have it in the first week of December. Even after that, you can continue with your internship up to the 31st December. Now, if we talk about the review one, I will be sharing these parameters and these rubrics with you. On what basis we will be giving 50 marks, that document will be shared with you. So here you need to provide the timely, you need to prepare a plan of internship. You can discuss with your internship guide in the industry, and you need to prepare a plan of the internship, like what you will be studying for next 3 months, 4 months, or 5 months, what skills you will acquire, what technologies you will learn, what systems you will try to operate, what meters, what instruments you will try to operate. So that plan is required to be submitted. So we need to submit that plan immediately after the 1 week of your internship. So we will circulate that notice also. Submit your internship joining report. That will also have some mark. Clarity of learning objectives. So when you will be having your plan, you also need to write down the learning objectives. Soon we will assign some guides from the department so that they can talk to your industry guide and get the feedback. So that also we will do. So that in coordination of the industry guide and the department guide, you can perform well. Then first task is to understand the industry, understand the profile of the industry, what products are manufactured by them, what are the services that are offered by them, refer to their website, what is the turnover, what are the total employees and all that. So everything you should be aware of the company in which you are taking, in which you are undergoing your internship. So that you need to understand the domain specific tools, softwares, or equipments that are relevant to your field of interest or field of internship. Technical competency and software skills also you need to see that what technical competencies you will have, what software skills you will acquire, that also you need to list down. Punctuality and professionalism is very important. When you are working in the industrial environment, you need to be very much punctual and show the professional behavior. It is not the engineering college where you can go 10 minutes late or half an hour late to the class and teacher will allow you. So that kind of behavior will not be tolerated by them. So be punctual, be professional. That is very important. That also has some marks. So we will be talking with your internship industry guide and we will be getting feedback on that. The teamwork and communication is also important. For that also we have marks. And internship daily diary. So daily diary is required to be submitted at the time of the review for checking. So this way review 1 will be conducted. These are some of the parameters of the review 1. Based on the grading or the marking will be done out of the 50 marks. So this is very important to understand, like what are we going to evaluate, what are we going to observe in the first review. So that we need to understand. Subsequently, in the review 2, review 3, and review 4, we will take all these parameters to the deeper level and we will try to evaluate your internship. So for every review, there are marks for internship daily diary and report writing, because we need to start writing our report from uh, from the first week of your internship. Like what can be the components or what can be the part of your report, that also we will discuss in our next meeting. But here we are just talking about the review one and what are the parameters for that. So this is very important for all of you. Now there are some other important guidelines, very important for all of us. Be punctual and disciplined. As I said, we need to be very much punctual. Always report on time and follow the working hours of the organization. Maintain regular attendance and inform your internship guide in advance in case of any absence. Do not remain absent without their consent, without informing them. Otherwise, it will be difficult. Maintain the professional behavior when you are in the industrial environment. Respect all your colleagues, seniors, mentors. Follow the organizational rules. If they are having any dress code, you can follow that, and communicate politely with all the people, those who are there in the industry. uh, the very important thing is that we need to be very much proactive and we need to show interest of learning. If there is no proactiveness or there is no interest of learning new things, then it will be difficult. You will not be able to learn anything. So take initiative in learning new tools, technologies, processes. Do not hesitate to ask questions and seek guidance wherever required. Maintain proper documentation. As I said, daily diary is very important. We need to record it, what we have seen, what we have observed, that everything you need to record in your daily diary. If they are asking you to study some reports, observe some diagrams, that also you need to write in your daily diary. Be honest in your work and documentation. Do not submit false data or copy work. Maintain confidentiality of the organization's information. Focus on improving both your technical knowledge, communication, teamwork, and problem solving skills. Let me tell you that since you are working in the industry, you will be working for next 4 to 5 months. And this is a golden opportunity for all of you, because whatever you have studied up to third year, you will be able to see the implementation of everything in the industry. So when you come back to the department, we must say that you have a better technical knowledge compared to all of us. I mean, me and all other faculty members, because we haven't worked in the industry, but you have worked in the industry for 4 to 6 months. So definitely your level of learning, your level of understanding should be improved. That is the objective of this internship. Otherwise, there is no point of giving the internship to all of you. So your learning level should increase, your curiosity should increase. In fact, when you come back to the department in the next semester, you should ask questions to your teachers, those who will be teaching to you. You should question them why this, how this is done, why this is done, everything, because you have a different, you have come from the different environment from the industry. So that is very important. So keep that learning attitude with you. Develop the technical and soft skills. Focus on improving both your technical knowledge and communication, teamwork, and problem solving skills. Um, then stay in touch with your industry guide. There must be some industry guide assigned to you. Be in touch with that. uh, Try to learn as much as possible from him. Also there are some other machines and systems in your industry. Try to learn from that also. Try to get the knowledge of that. Attend all the scheduled reviews, because if you miss any review, you will miss 50 marks. So attend all scheduled reviews with proper preparation. Present your work clearly and confidently. Maintain the reputation of the institute. Remember that you represent the department, you represent the institute. So your conduct should reflect professionalism and responsibility. One more important thing that I would like to share, that do not borrow and do not lend money from anybody in the industry. Last year there were some cases where student had borrowed some money from the people there. So don't do that. Don't spoil the name of the department on the institute. Ensure timely submission of your internship diary and report and required forms during the at the time of your reviews. Delay may affect to your evaluation and may affect to your marks. So these are some of the important guidelines that I wanted to give you. Apart from that, some other guidelines that we will discuss in the next week. So I hope you all have joined the industry and you are working in the industry. Also, important thing I forgot to mention, while working in the industry, see that you get an opportunity to work for the project in the next semester. Try to find out some problem statements there and talk to your industry guide, so that if there is a possibility to have the industry project in the next semester, you can continue with your internship. And also see that if it is a multinational company, if it is a company of good repute, then see that you are placed in that, because most of the times the employers see that the attitude of the student, attitude of the employee. So if you are having that attitude, maybe you will be absorbed in that company. Finally, I want to emphasize that internship is a golden opportunity for all you. Do not treat this as a requirement. Do not, this is not only the academic requirement, but this is a very important opportunity to you. Treat it as your first step into the professional world, because otherwise you will not get any professional experience. So learn as much as possible, ask questions, develop skills, and build your network. Most of the companies that come for the recruitment in our department come in the next semester. So utilize this time completely for preparing for those companies, those interviews. So this is very important for all of us. We need to see that everybody in this group, everybody in this class should be placed in a multinational company with good package. So make the best use of this opportunity to shape your future. Thank you and wish you all the very best for your internship. If you have any questions, you can now ask me. Yes, I'm open for questions. Ankita, Akanksha, Atharva, Divya. Yes, tell me. Say something. How is your experience? What you did? Unmute yourself and say something. This is not your like theory class. Theory lecture is not there. I'm not taking your attendance. I'm not giving any marks to you. I would like to listen from you. Like, what is your experience? What are you doing there?
Hello.
Ah, yes.
Sir, in first day we have
You can, if possible, turn on your camera so that we can see you. Yes, go
uh,
ahead.
in first day we have an induction in which the safety precautions they have guided us.
Okay, good. Very good. Any other experience? Any other feedback? Any other query? Please go ahead. This is open forum. We have lots of expectations, but we are not able to speak. We are not able to share. How it will be possible then? Yes, go ahead, Shraddha, Soham, Sumit, Vedant, Vijay.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sumit, tell
Sir,
me. Hmm.
we are not joined now.
Hmm.
Interview. We are waiting for later. They tell me 6 July we can come to Tata Motors Pune.
Okay, from 6 July you are going to start.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Yes, anybody? Take this as a platform to speak, to share, to express. Soham, Vaishnavi.
Hello.
Huh.
Sir, we have joined internship from 1st of July in Gupta Electrosystems.
Okay,
And on the first day, we took a factory tour and just we understood what are the products manufactured there.
okay.
And then from the second day, we are on the PC line, that is a power conditioning equipments line. So we are currently learning about voltage stabilizers.
Very good, very good. Keep
Yes.
learning.
Yes.
Yes, anybody? Vijaya, Vikrant. Anybody having internship outside Nasik?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Vijay.
Yes, sir. I started my internship on
Huh.
1st July. So
Okay.
I am being in the intern as in the Montex in fiberglass industry.
Okay.
So industry is about it is a process automation type.
Hmm.
So on the first day, we understood whole process of manufacturing, and they told us that you have to identify the process and tell us how we can automate it with efficiently more.
Okay.
So they were so we were trying to find solutions on it.
Good, good, good. Take this as an opportunity to work on a project.
Yes, yes, surely, sir.
Yes, anybody? Gaurav, Arjun, Atharva, Ayush, Divya, Chetna, Ganesh Jadhav, Ganesh Shinde, Gayatri, Ninad, Om, Kartik Pawar. Say something, anybody? Prerna Tidke, Rohini Bari. No, you don't want to share anything? Okay, so we will stop here, no problem. But next Saturday, or maybe next to next Saturday, we will have once again a meeting like this. I want everybody to talk, everybody to share something. This should not be only one kind of communication, one way communication. Only Munje sir is speaking and all other are listening. That kind of communication we do not want. So everyone should be ready. Next time I will be calling names and you need to talk something. Okay, so thank you very much for joining and wish you all the best for the internship. If you have any query or doubt, you can talk to your internship coordinator and talk to me. Thank you very much.